Welcome student. Now we solve question number 8. In question number 8, in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit. यहाँ पे जो temperature है वो measure किस में किया जा रहा है? Fahrenheit में. But in India it measure in a Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. यहाँ पे एक linear equation given है. First part, draw the graph of linear equation above. आपने इसके लिए क्या ड्रॉ करना है? ग्राफ यूजिंग सेल्सियस फॉर अ एक्स एक्सिस, सी फॉर सेल्सियस एंड एफ फॉर फॉरेनहाइट. सेल्सियस फॉर एक्स एक्सिस एंड फॉरेनहाइट फॉर वाई एक्सिस. फर्स्ट पार्ट. नाउ सॉल्व. f equals to 9/5 c plus 32. It is a linear equation where f and c are variable. Celsius x axis, Fahrenheit y axis. You write like this: y is equals to 9/5 x plus 32. Both are the same. In place of f write y and in place of c write x. Now put the value of c and find out the value of f. First, when c is equals to 0. When c is equals to 0, find out the value of f. c is equals to 0, find the value of f. f equals to 32. In next case, you write c is equals to -5. You take any value, but if you write in minus, then the value is reduced. It helps you to draw the graph. First, c 0, 32. Next point, -5, 23. Now draw the graph. X-axis and y-axis. In x-axis, it is for a Celsius and y-axis for a Fahrenheit. In this scale, in this graph, you write the scale like this: 0. This point is 0, 0. Now, 1 centimeter is equals to 5. Then other is equals to 10. 1 is equals to 5. Then 10. Then 20. In similar way, you write on the y-axis also: 5, 10, 20, then 30. Now draw the graph. Now next part. If the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, it means C is equals to 30 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature in Fahrenheit? F is equals to question mark. Now solve. In second part, C is equals to 30. Find out the value of F. In place of C, write 30. Now find the value of F. F equals to 86. In third part, f equals to 95 given. Find out the value of c. In place of f, write 95 and find out the value of c. Now c is equals to 35. Now next question, next part. In part 4, if the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, it means c is equals to 0. First case, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? You find the f. When c is equals to 0, what is the value of f from the equation A? Find out. In next part, what is the, if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, f is equals to 0 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? You find the c. You solve this part, question number part 4th. Now fifth part, is there a temperature which is numerically the same for both the Fahrenheit and the Celsius? If yes, find it. Suppose f is equals to c. In fifth part, write f equals to c. In place of c, you write f. f equals to 9/5 f plus 32. Now find out the value of f. f equals to -40. f equals to -40, it means c is equals to also -40. It is the temperature, yes. Therefore, at the value of -40, Fahrenheit and Celsius both are numerically same. In fifth part, they ask, if there is a temperature which is numerically the same for both Fahrenheit and Celsius, yes, it is a -40 temperature which is same for both the Fahrenheit and Celsius.